Oh, Max, we went shopping today, didn't we? Yeah. Look at you in your new chair. But you can't even fit into yet. And those little short, fat legs. Almost reach it. Almost reach it. Hey!
Did you see that when I pushed
Yeah.
up?
You got spit up. Do you love it? Are you having a good time? Huh? Yeah, he feels like big boy. He is a big boy today. Hey, Max. Hey. Oh, yeah, he didn't know what to do with himself. Ooh. Yeah, I know, I see you. You're such a big boy. You looking at the ducky? My goodness gracious. Oh, look at you. Such a big boy. Hey. Oh, he's gonna spit up. Are you gonna spit up? Yes. Just a little bit, Mama. Just a little bit. Oh. Yeah, I know. You think that's so funny. Yeah, you think it's funny. I'm trying to get it off. There you go. Okay. Oh, the towel's in his way. There you go. Now you can see the other side of it. Hey, I know. I see you. I see. Hey! He doesn't know what to do. He's seeing all these different colors and things. What you think, Max? Do you love it? Those fat legs are killing me. They're just dangling. Hey. Can you smile for Mama? Can you smile?